Hi, this is Ajay Jain, founder and managing partner at Silver Needle Ventures. Happy to talk about Samaaro. We invested in Samaaro because we saw a strong need today in the fast growing global event management space, right? The event marketing is rapidly evolving, and Samaaro is building a full stack AI powered solution that directly addresses the challenges faced by enterprise marketing teams, from automation to data visibility to ROI tracking. What stood out further was the founding team, right? Punnak and Mayank bring a rare combination of deep domain knowledge, product first thinking, and relentless execution. Their journey from building immersive tech experiences to pivoting and scaling Samaro reflects both resilience and adaptability. They came from a space where the world was virtual to a space where, everything went physical or mixed, but more physical. Since coming on board, our experience has been great with the team. The team has been transparent, data driven, and focused on the startup, right? And given all the odds they face, they're still going very strong, which is a great positive. They have onboarded global clients, expanded globally, and delivered consistent traction while being very capital efficient, right? So we are excited to be part of Samaro's journey and look forward to what's ahead as they build a category defining company in the event tech space. Thank you.